Hello children, I am your maths teacher Sandhya from Bharathidasan Matriculation Higher Secondary School, going to teach 3rd standard maths 5th lesson. So what is our 5th lesson name, my dears? Very good. Our 5th lesson name is division. What does mean by division? Division means that is repeated subtraction of the same number. What does mean by division? Division means repeated subtraction of the same number. Repeated subtraction of the same number. Repeated subtraction of the same number. And today we are going to see only two topics, that is a repeated subtraction and then using the number line. Listen here. Division is a repeated subtraction of the same number. Write the division fact. Here we have the question 16 divided by 4. Finally you should write the division fact. Now we are going to take a 16 minus 4. Okay. So repeatedly you should subtract 4 from 16. Right. So take 16 minus 4. 16 minus 4. Now you should take ones place. Here the ones place value is 6 and 4 and the 10th place value is 1. Now 6 minus 4 is possible? Yes. How many times? Very good. 2 fingers. So the answer is 2, then 1. Again you should subtract 4. Now you take a 2 minus 4. Now tell me Kiran, 2 minus 4 is possible? Very good. It is not possible. 2 it is changed into 12 and then in this one it will be changed into 0. Now you should subtract 12 minus 4. Put 12 lines and subtract 4 lines. Put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and then you should stack out 4 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we are going to count the remaining lines. Listen here children. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the answer is 8. Again you take a 4 and subtract it from 8. Now what is the answer? 8 minus 4? 8 minus 4 is 4. Then you should take a 4. Now 4 minus 4 is 0. Here we subtracted 4 totally 4 times. Listen here. This is step 1 and this is step 2. This is step 3. This is step 4. So totally 4 we are subtracted 4 times. So the answer is 4. Take a 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. 16 divided by 4 equal to 4. Here 16 is called the dividend and 4 is called the divisor and then this 4 is called the quotient. Here you listen, 4 4s are 16. This is called the division fact. What is the fact name? Division fact. So listen children, our second question is 15 divided by 3. Here what is the dividend value? Very good. The greater number 15 is called the dividend and 3 is called the divisor. 15 is called the dividend and 3 is called the divisor. Now we are going to use the repeated subtraction. Then finally you should write the division fact. So take a 15 minus 3. Take 15 minus 3. Take the ones place value. Here we have the ones place values are 5 and 3. Now tell me Kiran, what is the answer 5 minus 3? Very good. The answer is 2. So write here 2, then 1. Again you take the divisor value 3. Now you should subtract 2 minus 3. Now tell me Anjali, 2 minus 3 is possible? No, it is not possible. Why? Because 2 is the smaller number and 3 is the greater number. Here you are going to get borrow from the before number. So in this 2 it will change into 12 and then this one it will change into 0. Now we are going to subtract 12 minus 3. Put 12 lines and strike out 3 lines, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and then strike out 3 lines. 1, 2, 3. Now you should count the remaining lines. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So the answer is 9. Already here we have 0, so you should don't write 0. Then you take a 3. Now what is the answer? 9 minus 3. Just show your 9 fingers and fold 3 fingers. Remaining how many fingers are there? Yes, very good. 6 fingers. So write the answer 6. Again you should take a 3. Now you subtract a 6 minus 3. So 6 minus 3 is the answer 3. Then you take a 3. Now 3 minus 3 is 0. Now listen here children. Here 3 we are subtracted 1 time and 2 time. Then 3 time. Next 4 times. Next 5 times. So the answer is 5. Take and write the division fact. Take a 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. 15 divided by 3 equal to 5. Now you listen here. 5 3s are 15. Here 15 is called the dividend, 3 is called the divisor and 5 is called the quotient. And this is called the what fact? This is called the division fact. Next we will see the another example. Listen here. So here we have the question 30 divided by 6. 30 is called the dividend and 6 is called the divisor. Now you take a 30 minus 6. Take 30 minus 6. Take the ones place value. The ones place values are 0 and then 6. Now tell me Purtika, 0 minus 6 is possible? Very good. It is not possible. Why? Because compared to 6, 0 is the smallest number. So here you are going to get borrow from the before number. So 0 it will change into 10 and this 3 it will change into 2. Right? 0 once it will change into 10 once. 3 tens it will change into 2 tens. Now we are going to subtract 10 minus 6. Now just show your 10 fingers. Fold 6 fingers. Remaining how many fingers are there? Very good. 4 fingers. So write the answer 4. Next we have 2 is there. Write 2. Again you should take a 6. Now 4 minus 6 possible now? It is not possible. Compared to 6, 4 is the smallest number. So 4 it will change into 14 and 2 will change into 1. Right? So now you subtract 14 minus 6. Put 14 lines 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and strike out 6 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now you count the remaining lines are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have the answer is 8. Then 1. Again you should subtract a 6. Now take the ones place value. The ones place values are 8 and 6. Now 8 minus 6. What is the answer? The answer is 2. Then 1. Again you should take a 6. Now you subtract 2 minus 6. Now tell me Anjali, 2 minus 6 is possible? Very good. It is not possible. Why? Because 2 is the smallest number and 6 is the greatest number. So 2 it will change into 12 and 1 it will change into 0. Now 12 minus 6 is 6. Again you should take a 6. Now a 6 minus 6. What is the answer? 6 minus 6. 6 minus 6 is 0. Here we subtracted 6. Totally how many times? 1 time. 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, and finally 5 times. So we subtracted 5 times. So our answer is 5, right? So write the division fact. 30 divided by 6 equal to 5. So listen here children, 5 6 are 30 or 6 5s are 30. So this fact name is called the division fact. What is the fact name? This is called the division fact. Listen children, in this session you have learned only 2 topics, that is division is a repeated subtraction and then using the number lines, right? I hope everyone enjoyed the session. In this below description we have what is study material, question bank and then self assessment work. So my dear students, do all the self assessment work. If you have any doubt, just go through this video. Thank you.